Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are fine. So I've got let me say, two or so strategies that I'm going to show you. Someone was once asking in the comments, how do you get the bonus ball? So getting the bonus ball is not difficult. It is not difficult, but you just have to have a range of the bonuses, which okay, today I'm going to use this number, this kind of, let me say maybe you can play a bonus from 30 to 35. You play each bonus knowing that from 30 to 35 you're gonna get your bonus ball, or from, I'll show you what I mean about that. Okay, so this is what you do. Is, for example, we're going to use this one to predict our lunch for today, because we've got two strategies now that I've shown you guys that will work properly. So the first strategy, you're going to see 39. You take these two biggest numbers, 39 plus 45. Once you have that, now you're going to look for the formula for UK49. UK49 is 649. Actually, it is written like this, 649. So what you do here, you have to be very careful on how I'm going to get this 55. It comes from 6 plus 49. For example, let's do this. If you can even check online bets, you'll see that UK49 is written 6 out of 49 numbers. So the seventh number is bonus, it's not included. So you're going to say 6 plus 49, you're going to get a 55, which means the formula is 55. Are we clear there? Perfect. Then you say 39 plus 45 plus 55. I'm predicting the lunchtime for today. And these numbers, this prediction, it works also on Betway. You know, guys, there is something that they are doing between Betway and this kind of UK. But I'm figuring it out, and I'm telling you, I'm promising you guys, very soon you shall know exactly what they are doing. Okay, so let's go and try to the calculator and see what they will tell us. Perfect. So now we're going to say, what did they say there? It was okay, 39 plus 45 plus 55, we get 139. Then once you've got that 139, you divide it by bonus ball 30, you're going to get 85. I'll show you what I mean about that. Perfect. So we go again here. Now we are having our first chord as 139. We write it down, and then we go again to the bottom one, the tea time, because remember I'm just predicting one video for both draws, 23, 36. So what you do here is you go back to the calculator, and then you say 23 plus 36 plus 55, you get 114, 114. So now we are having our codes as 139, 114. So we're going to break those codes to get our bankers for today. Perfect. So this is what you do. You're going to go to the top chord, which is saying 139. The first banker there is 39. The second banker is 13. Then you're going to add 1 plus 39, you get 40. 1 minus 39, you get 38. So second banker is 38, is 40. Then when you go to the bottom one, you'll see it says 114. 114. I hate to use these colors because it's end up like being so complicated. That's why I always, but some people, they prefer me to do it this way. Okay, so you're going to say 1 plus 14, you get a 15. 1 minus that, you get a 13. So 13 is a confirmed banker, and 14 also is our bank. So if we check, let's say we're going to write our bankers down, say 38, 13, 39, 40, and then 14. Then we have 38, we have 15 as well. Okay, but I'm going to give you a straight bonus today, guys. A straight bonus ball that's gonna come on UK49 is 28. So I don't know what they're going to do with that number, but our bonus, let me just say our bonuses, they're gonna be from between 28 to 30. Let's make it that way to be safe, you see. Because if they spot us like, okay, these guys, they think that they know the bonus, then they turn things around. Okay, for example, let me say our bonus is 28 today. So this is what we're going to do. We subtract by 1 and add by 1. So when you say minus 1, it gives us 27. Plus 1, it gives us a 29. So meaning our bonus cycle today is going to be 28, 27, 29. depending on if they hit it on Betway, definitely it won't come on UK. If they hit it on lunch, definitely, if I mean like if they don't play this bonus on lunch, definitely it's going to play on T. Are we together, guys? So yeah, this is what it is, guys. There's nothing difficult about UK Fortnite. It's all about combining your numbers and having a strong banker and a bonus ball. So the bankers is 38, 18, 39, 40, 14, but don't forget to spin like S41. Then there's 38, there's 15, then our bonus ball should be 28 for both draws, UK and Betway. I guess we are at the end of the video. So guys, yeah, as I told you before, if you want to learn more of these strategies, I do have a book, the ebook book for UK, Ghost Lotto, 749, Cash for Life, Mega Million. It's a lot of books that I have. I've got more than 11 books that I've written, and I'm still writing more because, you know, the more I get the knowledge, the more I read the books. So you will find the link where you can purchase the book in the first comment of the video. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Perfect.